Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, which I'm sure you've seen from the title, I'll be doing a food prep. I've done this previous food shop, which I'll link up top and down below so you can see what I bought. So this is just me preparing meals for the week. So I hope you guys enjoy, and definitely comment below, tell me what you're feeling, what you're not. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So the prawns, some of them weren't deveined properly. It did say ready to cook, but obviously they weren't. So I just quickly, oh, I think there's even one more there. I quickly deveined a couple, cleaned them out. You see, for example, that one there, that still has something in it. So I'm gonna go through these again, devein them a bit more, and then I'll come back to you. So when it says ready to cook, guys, please always check your meat to make sure that they are actually ready to cook. Okay guys, so I bought these ready to eat prawns in the packet. This is 2-packet. Each package is 150 grams, so in total this is 300 grams. But as I was washing them and cleaning them up, I realized that a couple of them weren't deveined correctly, so I just went through and just deveined them again to make sure everything is nice and clean. So this is all clean now. I'm gonna split this portion into two, and then I'm gonna do one in a garlicky sauce and then one in a paprika sauce, because one I'm going to use for salad and the other one I'm going to use for stir fry. Okay. in this mixture we have an edamame stir fry and a mushroom stir fry. It was a very small stir fry, the edamame, so I just mixed the two together, and I'm gonna serve this into about probably 3 to 4 meal preps, just depending on how much it whittles down. I have some kale that I want to add to it as well, so yeah, we'll see. I'm just gonna cook this up and then I'll add the meat to each stir fry. Okay. so meal prep is complete for the week. I will run you through what I've done, just so you know what I've completed. So in these two dishes at the top, we have the stir fry, the edamame and the mushroom stir fry that I mixed together, bedded with lettuce. I put lettuce at the bottom, the stir fry in the middle, and then on top I've topped it with the chicken that I did in the air fryer. This was the first lot of chicken that I did. And then the sauce from the stir fry, I had a little bit left over, so I just drizzled it on top and just added some sesame seed, white and black sesame seed, lemon, a wedge of lemon, and some green beans. So that's what's in these two dishes. So these two are my carb-free dishes. There's no carbs in them at all, just vegetable, chicken, and more vegetables. So down here in this dish, we have the same as the above dish. The only difference is we have the paprika spicy shrimp in this one. So still has the bedded lettuce with the stir fry and the green beans and the wedge of lemon with the sesame seed topped shrimp. In this one here, we have the garlic shrimp. So this is a garlic shrimp that I did, and I just topped it with some green beans, a wedge of lemon, and then this rice is an Uncle Ben's egg fried rice. I've used half of the packet in this one. And then here we just have the second lot of chicken that I air fried. This is just to go with salads. I have a couple salads that you saw that I bought in my food shop, so I've just made some extra chicken bits to pop in them. I have some more chicken seasoned in the fridge, so whenever these run out I can just pop them in the air fryer to add them to my salads. And then in this one here, I used the remaining half of the Uncle Ben's egg fried rice, this packet here, with a can of tuna, and I just cooked it up with some red onions, tomatoes, and then just topped it with some additional vegetables. So those are my main meals. Those are going to be my dinner for the week. And salad I'll have as lunch throughout the week as well. And then for breakfast, most of my breakfast are just boiled 4 hard-boiled egg, so I can have it as I have 3 meals that are carb-free. That means I can have potentially 3 breakfasts that have carbs in them. So I could have could make a wrap, because I have a wrap in the cupboard with the boiled egg, or I could do egg on toast. I have some avocado in the fridge. So basically I have loads of egg. I've just boiled these to make it easier. If I'm tired and I don't want to actually cook in the kitchen, I can just crack them open and then just top them on something. And also I've made 2 overnight oats as well to go throughout the week as well. So yeah, it's just whatever comes quickly. Sometimes I'll just have avocado, mushrooms, and boiled egg, so it varies. So as the week progresses I will decide what I make for breakfast, but at least having these prepped, it will just be easier to just grab them when I need them. So the reason this salad is that I'm actually going to make a salad to carry into work with me tonight. But yeah, everything else is prepped for the week, and I do have some more meals, so if I get bored and I want to switch, I can just switch them out. So this is it, guys. This is what I prepped today. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, meal prep done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.